Hello, welcome to Cryptic Talk today. What are different types of crypto trading exchanges? Binance. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading various cryptocurrencies. As of April 2021, Binance was the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world in terms of trading volume. Binance was founded by Changpeng Zhou, a developer who had previously created high-frequency trading software. Binance was initially based in China but later moved out of China due to China's increasing regulation of cryptocurrency. The company was founded in China but moved its servers and headquarters out of China and into Japan in advance of the Chinese government ban on cryptocurrency trading in September 2017. By March 2018, the company had established offices in Taiwan. Hobby Global. Hobby is a Seychelles-based cryptocurrency exchange founded in China. The company now has offices in Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, and the United States. In August 2018, it became a publicly listed Hong Kong company. Following a 2017 ban on Bitcoin exchanges by the Chinese government, Hobby stopped Bitcoin withdrawals. Hobby China continues to operate as a blockchain consulting and research platform. As of March 2018, Hobby processed around $1 billion in trades daily. Hobby was founded in 2018 by Leon Li, an alumnus of Tsinghua University. Li was a computer engineer at Oracle before founding Hobby. On May 15, 2013, the Hobby Group acquired the Hobby.com domain. On August 1st, Hobby launched a simulation trading platform, and on September 1st, the Bitcoin trading platform launched. Coinbase. Coinbase Global Inc., known as Coinbase, is an American company that operates cryptocurrency exchange platform that operates remote first without an official physical headquarters. The company was founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam, and as of March 2021 was the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States by trading volume. On April 14, 2021, Coinbase went public on the Nasdaq exchange via a direct listing. Kraken. Kraken is a United States-based cryptocurrency exchange and bank founded in 2011. The exchange provides cryptocurrency to fiat money trading and provides price information to Bloomberg Terminal. As of 2020, Kraken is available to residents of 48 US states and 176 countries and lists 40 cryptocurrencies available for trade. Kraken played a role in attempting to recover funds lost by investors during the 2014-15 Mt. Gox bankruptcy. According to CoinMarketCap, Kraken is the fourth largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. In 2020, Kraken became, along with Avanti Financial Group, one of the first two crypto exchanges to be legally chartered as banks in the United States. Bithumb. Bithumb is a South Korean cryptocurrency exchange. Founded in 2014, Bithumb Korea is the most influential digital currency exchange in the country, having 8 million registered users, 1 million mobile app users, and a current cumulative transaction volume has exceeded $1 trillion. Bitfinex. Bitfinex is a Hong Kong-based cryptocurrency exchange owned and operated by iFinex Inc., which is headquartered in Hong Kong and registered in the British Virgin Islands. Their customers' money has been stolen or lost in several incidents, and they have been unable to secure normal banking relationships. Research suggests that price manipulation of Bitcoin on Bitfinex accounted for about half of the price increase of Bitcoin in late 2017. According to a 2017 statement by Bitfinex prior to the offering of $1 billion in tokens, Bitfinex had a net profit of $404 million in 2018. These results were not audited nor prepared under generally accepted accounting principles. Bitstamp. Bitstamp is a Bitcoin exchange based in Luxembourg. It allows trading between fiat currency, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrency. It allows US dollars, Euro, GBP, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, XLM, Link, OMG Network, USD Coin, or PAX deposits and withdrawals. The company was founded as a European-focused alternative to then dominant Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox. While the company trades in US dollars, it accepts fiat money deposits for free only via the European Union's Single Euro Payments Area, a mechanism for transferring money between European bank accounts. Bitstamp offers an API to allow clients to use custom software to access and control their accounts. KuCoin. KuCoin is a cryptocurrency exchange based in Hong Kong. US investors are not listed as prohibited from trading. If you are a US investor, however, you should still always analyze yourself whether your home state imposes any obstacles for your foreign cryptocurrency trading. The exchange has one of the world's most impressive trading pair selections with more than 300 trading pairs. Furthermore, the exchange claims to have the most advanced API on the market. It should also be noted that the exchange has so-called KuCoin shares, that is, its own cryptocurrency. If you are a holder of KuCoin shares, you can receive cryptocurrency dividends on a daily basis. You can also receive trading discounts and even lower withdrawal fees than otherwise. The exchange also states that KCS holders receive exclusive promotions, offers and rewards from the exchange. FTX. FTX, a cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform, launched operations on May 8, 2019. It was founded by Alameda Research. Binance purchased shares in the company in December 2019 as well as took a long-term position in the platform's FTX token. At the time of its December 2019 investment, Binance said that FTX had an average daily volume of nearly $500 million across all of its products. In August 2020, FTX acquired Blockfolio, an app for retail investing consumers that allows users to keep track of the value of their cryptocurrency portfolios. Bitflyer. Bitflyer is Japan's most popular exchange and one of the largest in terms of trading volume in the world. Bitflyer expanded to the USA with approval to operate in 42 states. A key feature is the binding of trading instruments to the Japanese yen. The platform features several advanced tools, including margin trading. Despite the focus on the Japan market, low commissions of Bitflyer attracts traders from different countries of the world. There are two trading platforms on the Bitflyer exchange. The first of them is called Bitcoin Easy Exchange and is designed for direct exchange JPY BTC. It is aimed at users who want to buy bitcoins for further work with cryptocurrency. Despite the obvious simplicity, the site is fully consistent with its purpose. Bitflyer allows you to easily trade virtual currency bitcoins at a transparent price. Market checking is also possible on the chart. Bitflyer supports every transaction on your Bitcoin and contributes to the spread of bitcoins. What is fiat money? Fiat money is a currency that lacks intrinsic value and is established as a legal tender by government regulation. Traditionally, currencies were backed by physical commodities such as silver and gold, but fiat money is based on the creditworthiness of the issuing government. The value of fiat money depends on supply and demand and was introduced as an alternative to commodity money and representative money. Commodity money is created from precious metals such as gold and silver, while representative money represents a claim on a commodity that can be redeemed. China was the first country to use fiat currency around 1080, and the currency then spread to other countries in the world. It became popular in the 20th century when US President Richard Nixon introduced a law that cancelled the direct convertibility of the US dollar into gold. Currently, most nations use paper-based fiat currencies that only serve as a mode of payment. Unlike the traditional commodity-backed currencies, fiat currency cannot be converted or redeemed. It is intrinsically valueless and used by government decree. For a fiat currency to be successful, the government must protect it against counterfeiting and manage the money supply responsibly. How does fiat money work? Fiat currency is not supported by any physical commodity, but by the faith of its holders and virtue of a government declaration. Paper money acts as a storage medium for purchasing power and an alternative to the barter system. It allows people to buy products and services as they need without having to trade product for product, as was the case with barter trade. Due to its ability to store purchasing power, people can make plans with ease and create specialized economic activities. For example, a business dealing with mobile phone assembly can buy new equipment, hire and pay employees, and expand into other regions. The value of fiat money is dependent on how a country's economy is performing, how the country is governing itself, and the effects of these factors on interest rates. A country experiencing political instability is likely to have a weakened currency and inflated commodity prices, making it hard for people to buy products as they may need. Thank you for watching. Stay with Cryptic Talk Today for more.